Let's consider whether computer-controlled active safety features can improve safety. Truth or myth? This one's true. Computer-controlled active safety features really do provide safety. Examples of some warning features are backup cameras and tire pressure monitors and rear cross traffic alert. Those are things that don't intervene, but rather tell the driver there's something dangerous going on so the driver can react. But there are also automated interventions in the form of electronic stability control, automatic or advanced emergency braking systems, and so on. AEB in particular has been shown to really reduce crashes, perhaps 50% front to rear crashes. So AEB really has safety benefits. Now it's important to note that this is a momentary system that when it detects an impending crash, it applies brakes to reduce the severity of crash or in some cases avoid the crash. Lane keeping assistance is another active safety system. So this is not continuous steering. Rather, lane keeping assistance is when you get to the edge of your lane, it sort of nudges you back into your lane, hopefully waking you up to the fact that you were drifting off the lane. So it's not automated steering, it's just a momentary intervention like the rest of these features. These things really help provide safety. What active safety does not include is sustained steering, lane centering. That's a different feature, a different discussion. But if we restrict ourselves to talking about momentary interventions, active safety systems really do improve safety. There's a nice website called My Car Does What, and it lists icons and descriptions, and there are a whole bunch more features beyond the ones I show here. And the idea is your car has a surprising number of capabilities if it's a new car to help warn you and to intervene to keep things safe. These features really work. They provide warnings or they provide momentary intervention. So wrapping up this section, computer-controlled features actually do improve safety as long as we're not talking about lane centering, which is not active safety. It's a different thing.